of table number 5 from SDO Balanga City. So the first question is, what was the purpose of the monitoring or evaluation? So the purpose of monitoring or evaluation is first, to see if activities or projects are being implemented as planned, to identify problems early, and to adjust as needed. What tools or methods was used? So you can use checklists, progress report, observation, pre-test, post-test result, and school evaluation form po. And then what outcomes do you observe or experience? First, there is a better decision making after the monitoring and evaluation. Adjustment to strategies were made based on the real data gathered from the pre-test and post-test. There is also a clear understanding of what works well and what needs improvement for future projects. And of course, there is also an improved implementation. Thank you very much. Thank you.